How to build a new homepage with Elementor. Click Templates under the Elementor tab. Add a new page. Click Page Setup. Select Elementor Canvas to start with a blank page, or use the default option to keep the same website header and footer. Now let's design our page. Click the blue PremiumPress button to view all design blocks. Let's start with a page header. Block colors will automatically match your current website. Let's add more blocks. Now let's save the page and set it as our new home page. Click the desktop icon and set your new page as the default home page. Did you find this useful? Hit that like button and I will make more. Thank you!